Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Session, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories and we become thought leaders. Before that, let's give a big round of applause to Yukta, leading the morning show, doing her exercises, making all of us do wonderful exercise. Can we give her a big round of applause? Very nice. Okay. Yes. This story is from a village where there is this wise old man, a guru, in this kind of a guru. Everybody goes to him. Everybody says he's very knowledgeable. He has a lot of information. He's a very wise man. And this young man, this young boy, and he is a bit notorious, bit mischievous. He thinks that, okay, let me play a prank with this old man. Okay, so what he does is he catches a small sparrow. He catches a small sparrow and this thing and goes to this old man. Okay, holding the sparrow a little tightly, goes and shows, and he keeps it behind. So the old man manages to get a glimpse that there is a sparrow, and he keeps it in the hand. Now he says, everybody says you are such an intelligent, such a wise person, and all. Then tell me what. Tell me, I have a bird, I have a sparrow in my hand. Is it dead or alive? The old man understands, yeah, and he knows about this young boy, and this is what he realizes, that if the old man says it is dead, then this guy will let it go. Correct, isn't it? Just to prove him wrong. But if he says he's alive, then what this young boy could do is actually could squeeze and kill the bird. Correct, isn't it? So the old wise man thinks for a while and he says, whether the bird depends upon you. Actually, it depends upon you. It depends on the choices that you make. At that particular very moment, after listening to that, what did the Guru say? The bird's fate is in your hands. It's the choices that you make. Whether the bird is alive or dead depends upon the choices you make. At that particular moment, this young man has a change in heart and he realizes what he's supposed to do. He learns a very important lesson and his life gets transformed. What did this young man learn?
Take good choices.
Make good choices.
What's decision making?
Sorry?
Decision making.
Decision making.
Coach, have respect and kindness towards everything.
Have respect and kindness for everything. Very nice.
Coach,
Listening,
coach, make a toss.
Make
A toss.
make a task.
Yes, coach.
Okay, wonderful.
Choices have consequences.
Choices have consequences. Can you speak a little bit more about it?
More about it.
Sorry? How did you arrive to that?
The guru told it's according to him only the bird can be alive or dead. So he should make the choice if the bird should be alive or dead.
Mhm. Okay. Tutik, what do you want to add? Hmm. Nakshatra, you want to add something?
Coach, don't be mischievous.
Nice.
listen to experienced persons.
Listen to experienced people. Very nice. Sorry, I dropped the bottle there. Yukta, think. So this person says, Yukta and she, both of you think. Okay. This person says, depending upon the choice you make, it'll depend upon the bird's destiny, the bird's fate. The bird is going to be alive, or it will depend upon the choices you make. The boy knew it, and the wise man understood that if he says it is alive, he'll kill the bird just to show it is dead. He says it is dead, he'll show alive. But yes, he doesn't want the bird to be killed. So obviously, he could have said that the bird is dead. Then let go of the bird. But will the boy change? Will the boy transform from that? No. But the boy got transformed. He understood something very important. What is that? What did the boy understand? What does the bird represent? And what does this fist represent? And what does she came close to it saying choices have consequences?
Coach,
Yeah, Nakshatra?
so the bird is like your mistake, like no, like your good things, and the fist is uh like your good way to stop anything, and your fist is like holding it or leaving it. Like leaving it means like just doing it, and keeping it means like killing your good deeds.
Nice effort, Nakshatra. Wonderful. You are also becoming a thought leader.
Coach,
The
the bird can be like your goals. The fist can be what you do, and so if it's your choice whether you want to hold on to your goals or make a mistake and let go of them.
okay. Do you think you unmute your mic? You want to say something?
But uh, live and let live, coach.
Live and let live.
I relate this to parents and teachers. Whatever they do, the consequences it goes to their child or to the students.
Very nice. A very different perspective. Very nice. Very nice, different perspective from Nakshatra as well as from Sashikala coach. Very nice. Okay, let's again. All answers are answered. All perspective are perspective. Even Yukta gave a very different one, holding on to your goals and all that. Very nice. Okay, mine is Yukta, slightly opposite of what you said, but I respect yours one also. That is also a very good learning for me. Okay, now the bird that represents it's your future. You want your future to be dead or alive. It has to fly. But it all depends upon the choices that you make. Who is holding your future? Who is holding your future? See, you are holding your future. If you make the right choices, your future is going to fly. Your future is going to soar. The word is soar. So the choices that you make, do you think you are the one who is holding it? Your right choices will allow your career to soar, or you kill your own future. Yeah, it's all about the choices you make. So the wise man, by saying this, made the boy think that yeah, it's actually what I'm doing is pranking, having fun, and all that thing. But the boy didn't relate this just to the life of the bird, but he realized that the choices he's been making all are not the right choices, which is not shaping his future to be a better, bright, and a more responsible human being. So, Sri, the choices you make, how you study, will actually make your marks go up, will make your marks soar. Correct, Yukta? Your exams are also coming in the month of March. Correct, isn't it? Yeah. So please focus on that. I will send you a voice message today. 6 o'clock is the this thing. You know that, right? Hmm. I'll send you a message I may not be available, but I'll send you a message. I spoke to somebody. Yes. So once again, it's the choices that you make depends upon how high or how far or how your life will grow, how your life will fly, how your life will be this thing. Otherwise, even Yukta gave a wonderful view. That was really nice. So everybody, please sit in Vajrasana. Quickly, Yukta, please unmute.
So should I also leave? I'll have to leave at 6:20 only.
Yeah, by 6:20 we'll be done. Yes, it's 6:30 now. Okay. Tutik coach, yeah, you have to also plan. And when you see, you can see a quick message in Inba's group. Okay.
Yes, coach.
No, not Inba. Sorry. You can see Inba also and Rutvik. Rutvik, you have tomorrow. Rutvik, you can unmute. You can mute your mic, please. Everybody, sit in Vajrasana now. Eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. During this time, stay still. Do nothing. Do nothing. Yes. Do nothing. Just focus on your breathing. Start alternate nasal breathing. Left in, right out, right in, left out, 20 of them. Start with B breathing.
Um, 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 Energize the low speed, low energy to high speed, high energy, high intensity. Okay, Ram, that's our gratitude. Thank yourself for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank yourself for being focused on your goals, for being focused on yourself. Thank yourself for doing everything properly. Thank yourself for always being kind, for being compassionate, for being honest. Thank yourself for being truthful. Thank yourself for living and let live. Thank you. Thank yourself for loving animals. Thank yourself for loving your future. Thank yourself for concentrating on your goals, your future. Thank you. Thank you to support your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for supporting you, for always being there for you. Thank you.
Visualize a beam of white light. Yukta, this can happen immediately after that, okay?
Visualize a bright white
Only
light
after
coming
that.
right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hand, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe to head, fully rest bright white light. Now we'll let's set our mind to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals. Your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start. Let go of
Visualize.
your hands on your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm compassionate.
I'm compassionate.
I'm born to win.
I'm born to win.
I'm born to lead.
I'm born to lead.
I love animals.
I love animals.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I focus on my future.
I focus on my future.
I focus on my goals.
I focus on my goals.
I move towards my goals every single day.
I move towards my goals every single day.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable. I make smart choices.
I make smart choices.
Choices have consequences.
Choices have consequences.
My choices shape my future.
My choices shape my future.
My choices shape my life.
My choices shape my life.
I am a superb human.
I am a superb human. Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 1. Second one. Last one. Open your eyes, see his world's a better place.
Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. Have a wonderful day. Dhruti Coach, I'm calling you now. Huh? Bye-bye.
Bye, coach.
Thanks, Yukta. Thanks.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.